Hello everybody. Today we are going to print this kind of pattern. In first row we have to print 1 star. Second row we have to print 2 star. In third row we have to print 3 star. Means we have to make a triangular like structure. It may be star, it may be hash, it may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of pattern. It can be anything. So today I will show you two methods. By first method, we have used only one for loop, and for second method, we will use two for loop. So tell me in the comment box which one do you like the most. So let's start. So first of all, we have to do this by making a for loop. So we have to declare a variable let I equal to 1 because we have to print. I'm sorry. So actually I have to declare a variable let n means how many times or how many times we have to run the program. Okay, let's n equals to 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, means it can be number of row or number of column in the final line. You can see in the final line, the final row is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this pattern, in the below pattern. And the last row has how many columns? 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will print this pattern for 5. Okay. So now we will run the for loop for how many times? 5 times because our n value is 5. So let I equals to 1, I less than equals to n. So whatever value will hold the n, it will run that time. Okay. So and we will increase I every time. So I will start from 1 and it will go till n. Okay. So if n is 5, so loop will run till 5. We can declare with I is equal to 0 also, but for that one we have to remove the equal to sign. Okay, because 0, 1, 2, 4 equals to the 5 times. So we have to print star. So we will create a variable that can hold our star value. So let we created a bag to collect the string. Okay. So initially we will declare its empty string. Okay. Now you can see. Okay. And then what we have to do, so control X, we will declare it here. I will tell you why I have put it outside the folder. And inside is bag equals to bag plus our star pattern. Okay, and this kind of string. So we will concatenate or join the string. Okay, and there we go. And so dot log bag. So what is happening here? We have declared a variable bag which has empty string because in JavaScript the print statement every time the print statement is executed, it will generate a new line. But in case of Java, we have the option to whether we want our print statement in next line or in that line. So that's why in JavaScript we have to concatenate the string to print statement in a single line. Okay, like 2 star, 3 star, 1, 2, 3, 4 to join this. In Java, you just remove the ln, print ln. Okay, so we will control S for save and then run. You can see, you can see this pattern. So how it is going. So if I put this here, so what will happen every time the for loop is running, like for I is equal to 1, bag is empty. So bag is equal to bag is empty and star. 1 star is going and it will print 1 star. Okay. For next time when it will I is equal to 2, but when it will go I is equal to 2, so when it will reach this point bag. So bag is empty now, but what we had in the bag, we have 1 star. So we will print only 1 star in each line. I am showing you control S. You can see 1 star in one row. Okay. So that's why I have declared this variable outside the for loop. Okay. Control S and you can see. Okay. Now I will show you how to print this kind of pattern. So if you want to print 1, 2, 3 kind of things, so you can put J. Okay, so instead of star, it will print 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of thing. So I equals to 1. Oh, there is no J, so what we have to print I. Just look at this 1. So first line, bag is empty and I is 1. 1 is not a number, it is a string because we have used with the quotes. We have declared it with the quotes because we have to print structure like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have to concatenate 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 kind of. So that's why we have declared the bag variable with the empty string. Okay, so let's see. You can see I'm sorry. Oh, this I is string, so it will print I instead of star. So if I print I here, this I, the I of the for loop. So now it will print 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of. You can see. Yes. So we will print this by the second method also. Second way. So for this we have to run a after for loop. Let I equals to 1, I less than equals to n. Okay, and I plus plus. So you will be wonder why we use I 2 times. Let's see. This I is declared with the keyword let. So it has scope inside this for loop. Outside the loop, it has no use. And this I would have the use below this for loop. Okay. So again, we have to print another for loop for let j. This time we will declare another variable j is equal to 1. Okay, and till where it goes, because what we have number of row and number of column is 1, and second row we have 2 column, third row we have 3 column, fourth row we have 4 column, means column equals to row. So j equal to 1 and j less than equals to 1. Okay, j please. So this time what we have to do, we have to print star pattern. This time I will put a join kind of variable to print the, and what is your, we will concatenate the things. Let join equals to empty string, and then jod plus equals to, means jod equal to jod plus. Okay, this is another way to write this, right, this statement. Okay, so jod is equal to jod plus j. Okay, so I have to print star, so I will put star inside the code. Okay, let's run this and control S. Let's run this. Okay, you can see if we have to print 1, 2, 3, so we will put just j, because j 1, 2, 3 it will till where you go, till the I. For I1 j will 1, for I2 j will start with 1 and it will go equals to 2, because i's value is 2. When I will 3, j will go 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, so this will work like this. You can see. Okay, so I am ending here. Thanks for watching this video.